my name is Sachin Mule, and today's video topic is methods of string. Methods of string is 30 ports in methods of string. The we will discuss in first is string. String is a character sequence of a string. The types of methods in a string is the first in character char at. Char at is a description in a char at. The first is return the character at the specified index, and return type in a character char at in a is a char. And next method in code point at. Code point at is returns the Unicode of the character at the specified index, and return type is Unicode is int. And next string method is code point before. Code point before is return the Unicode of the character and before the specified index is return type is code point before is int. And next method in is a comparable is compare to is compare the two string lexicographical, and is return type is int. Next method is concat. Concat is appends a string to end of the another string, and return type is a string. And next method is a copy value of the description of copy value is returns a string that represent the characters of the character array, and return type in a string. The next method in ends with is check whether a string is the specified character, and is return type is boolean is a boolean equation. And next method is equals is compare the string and return the true the string are equal and false if not. The return type is boolean. And next method is format of a string is returns formatted string using the specified local and format string is and arguments is a method of a string. The next method is a string is a getchar is a copies the character from a string to array of a string to array of a character, and is a return type is int. And next method is index of a string is returns the canonically representation for the string object, and return type is string. And next method in last index is return the position of the last found occurrence of the specified characters in a string, and is return type is int. Next method is offset by code points is returns the next index to the string within the string is that offset a new string in where the specified the values are replaced, and a string is return type is string. And the next method is split is a string rate into array of substring is a split. And next method is start with is check whether string start with specified characters, and return type is character sequence, and character sequence is a string as a perform the performance of the string. Next method is to lowercase. To lowercase convert the string lowercase letters, and return type is string. And next method is a upper to uppercase. So to uppercase is converts the string to uppercase, and return type is a string. And next method is a stream method is removes the white space and both ends of the string. The return type is string. And next method is a value of a string. The value of is a explanation of returns the string representation of the specified value, and return type is string. The and also is more than is 34 of string method, and we will discuss in a method of a string is about in a string. The thank you all of you.